There are some things that seem to be so small or look weird or funny, especially like polishing shoes for my husband. Some people have always asked me, why do you do this? You are doing too much. You are over pampering this guy. He has also to do some things for himself. I have no problem doing it, and I enjoy doing it. It is fun, and it is bringing more value, more warmth in my marriage, because my husband feels like I care about him. Oh yes, I'm his helpmate. I have to help him do some of the things that he cannot do for himself, like polishing shoes, washing his clothes, ironing them, like washing his underpants, like that. It is really weird and looks funny, but yet it is full of fun. Please, if you try it out, your marriage is not going to be the same. It's another cool thing to serve your husband food. Ladies, it's really very bad to leave your husband in the hands of another person, your housemaid, your friends, to serve him for you. And some other ladies know how to leave food, maybe in a microwave or in a food flask. Can you be there and be like, your food is just there. Go and eat. It's really not good. Yeah, just go serve him the juice, serve him the food, and let him feel special, let him feel loved. That man married you. He left all these other women. Just show him you care. That is the least you can really give him. Serve and have fun together, laugh with him, let him feel comfortable as he eats food. It's good. Yeah, let's spice up our marriages. Now, another thing that you can do for him, maybe you can make for him water for bathing. That is if he prefers warm water, and maybe your bathrooms are not these other or modern ones where they have everything like mine. So you just have to boil the water and put it in a jerry can and let him bathe. Or if he doesn't prefer, you make for him cold one. Just small things. Yeah, they they make you guys be in love every day. Yeah. Remembering and celebrating your partner's special days is also another good thing. Yeah, it makes you guys close. You always be in love. You feel so loved and appreciated. As you can see the video, we're celebrating my husband's birthday. It is really good. We just had something small, some of the clips that we had that day. It was really good. So you guys, if you love my videos, you can give me a like, you can write in the comment section, and you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, and your marriage is not going to be the same. Let us learn to spice up our marriages every day, because happiness is by choice. You can't buy happiness, but you can create it. Please choose to be happy with your spouse, because you have no idea of what tomorrow brings for you. Yeah, I love you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.